Hi, this is Colin Constable. You want to do a quick demonstration on the differences between using APIs and using Network 2.0 type infrastructure. The main differences being that whoever's running the API can see your data, and within Networking 2.0, everything is end-to-end encrypted. But let's show you how that works. So I have a curl request here. This is we're using a API to Google just to send the message "Hello World," and I've also got Wireshark over here, which is a network sniffer. So we set this off, and we run this command. We will see those packets arriving here, and we can actually look inside those packets. If we follow this and to the TLS stream, and you can see that I've broken apart the TLS. TLS is the transmission layer security, because curl is actually dumping the TLS keys, I can look inside, and you can see that the hello world text is getting out there. So we're actually just sending an HTTP request inside the TLS, and what that means is whoever's running the API, in this case Google, they can see the message, and they will send it on. This is actually for GChat, and obviously everything in GChat is open for Google to look at because that's how the API works. Now, if we close that off, and we actually use @talk, which uses the @sign SDK, and we'll get up 2 sessions. So we're going to talk between cconfstab and WiseFrog, and up here we're going to do exactly the same. Let's just scroll down here, and we will send the same message. Hello world. And you can see it's popped up down the bottom. And if we look here, we should be able to see the application data. And again, just follow it. And there's the data that's gone from this client. And what you'll see here, you can actually see the protocol. But what you can't see, and you can see, it's what our WiseFrog sending it to our Constable. Obviously, we need to know where it's going to send. But if you actually look at the value that we've sent, that's the data. That's the data that's encrypted as it gets sent over. And the only 2 things that actually have the keys are the @sign WiseFrog and the @sign cconfstab. And this is actually decrypted, and as it's decrypted in the client, you actually get to see what's decrypted, in this case, hello world. But anybody in between, that includes the people providing the microservices. In that case, that could be @sign, or it could be anybody that wants to run their own microservice. They cannot see the data. They never actually gets to see the keys. So that's the major difference between running an API, and that whoever's running the API can see your data in the clear. Using Network 2.0 infrastructure, the only people that actually see the data are the people at the endpoints. And if you are worried about people seeing this metadata, then you can run your own ad server. The code is open source, and we actually do publish a Docker container. So if you do want to run it yourself, if you're worried about that metadata creeping out, then you can do that as well. So full flexibility, fully distributed, that's what the promise of Networking 2.0 is. And I hope you found that useful and intriguing. Thank you.